Hi students, let us study today life cycle of a hen. Okay, if you like my explanation and my drawing, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more notification. Okay, let us start. Hen is an oviparous bird. Hen reproduce by laying eggs. They build their nest to lay their eggs. Nest is a home for them. They build for themselves and their chicks. Nest provides safe environment for the babies to grow up. Yes. What are the material they are using to build their nest? They use dead twigs, leaf, dry grasses, feather, cotton, some cloth pieces and animal hairs, etc. You can see here the female hens lays eggs in the nest. Okay. After that, the hen, there is a second stage where the hen keeps the eggs warm by sitting on them. This is known as incubation. Yes, the hen incubates the egg for almost 3 weeks. This helps the young ones to develop and grow inside the egg. Yes, this is a second stage where we can see the incubation process. The hen is incubates the eggs for almost 3 weeks, isn't it? Yes, this process is nothing but incubation, the stage of incubation, okay, in hen. Let us see the next process. What is the next process? After incubation, after 3 weeks of incubation, the young chicks will break open the eggshell. Okay, they break open the eggshell. They are developed inside the egg, isn't it? After developing, they break open the eggshell and come out. This process is called hatching. Yes, isn't it? After incubation, they are breaking out the eggshell, so they are developed inside the eggshell. They need come out of the eggshell, isn't it? Now the after the hatching process, there is a young chick. The young birds hatched will not have feather and they cannot fly, isn't it? They are very small. They cannot take care of themselves. They are dependent on their mothers for their needs and for the requirements. Yes, the young chick. What are the next stage? The last stage, the chick will grow into an adult chicken. Yes, then the chick will grow into a adult chicken. Now it can breed and produce its own eggs, isn't it? The chick is grown up as a chicken, the adult chicken, isn't it? You can see here it is fully grown up as an adult. This is a complete life cycle of an hen. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.